Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard Zadie skin in Fortnite. This guide will help you unlock this sought-after outfit and its matching cosmetic items. We'll cover the specific steps and requirements needed to add these free rewards to your locker. Get ready to enhance your in-game style with this unique set. To unlock the Vanguard Zadie skin, you must earn 50 account levels through gameplay. Focus on completing various quest lines, milestones, and daily challenges to accumulate experience points quickly. Remember to log into Fortnite before May 6th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time to ensure you gain access to the Vanguard Zadie quests. Beyond the skin, you can also earn additional Vanguard Zadie cosmetics. Reach 15 account levels to get Zadie's blade pickaxe. The matching back bling becomes available once you achieve 30 account levels. Furthermore, your highest rank across Fortnite modes will determine unique ranked styles for the Vanguard Zadie outfit. To speed up your progress, prioritize completing all active quest lines, including story, weekly, and milestone quests. Also, consider participating in special events, such as Vanguard Zadie Reload Cups, for extra experience points. These methods will help you reach the required account levels efficiently. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.